Sawing through metal is one of the most basic introductory skills in metalsmithing. Though sawing may be simple enough, there are a few techniques that will help you get a clean and accurate cut every time. First, make sure your saw blade is fastened tightly in the frame of your jeweler's saw. You should be able to pluck the blade like a harp string and get a resonant note. Next, set up your bench pin. The pin will give you a flat surface for your metal to rest on, while the gap in the pin gives you room to work the saw through the sheet of metal. Draw the line you intend to cut with a felt pen. Simply run your saw blade through beeswax or other lubricant. This will allow the blade to move through the metal more easily. Use a metal file to create a starting notch for the saw. Pull the blade down to begin cutting. You see, the teeth on the saw only face one direction, so the saw is only going to be cutting on the downstroke. So we also don't want to push towards the metal. We're going to let the saw do the work for us. For curved lines and rounded shapes, continue sawing, moving the metal as you go, rather than changing the direction of your saw. For sharper angles and corners, continue turning the metal as you saw in the same spot until the desired angle is achieved. This is just one of the many techniques you'll need to explore the world of working with metal. If you find you need more assistance or need more inspiration, just head on over to our metalsmithing resource page, where you'll find how-to videos, detailed articles, design inspirations, and much, much more. Sign up for our email specials and beading news. Or subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video. Thanks for joining us.